guys, if you're also suffering from the same thing, which is the best thing in every girl's life, and that is acne or pimple, like I still do have, you can see the marks, and this, I got this today only. You can see the total marks are till now present. It has been 6 months, but they are not gone at all. We all have this. We all, each and every girl, we have faced the same thing regarding pimple or acne. So today I want to talk about that same thing, that it is a really bad thing and what we can at least do without, except the home remedies like turmeric or lemon or anything we are seeing in the YouTube, and we can don't use that. Please don't use those things. Those really don't work. It will make your pimples and acne even worse. Really, my face was like a boiled potato when I was in class 8. To be honest, and I looked really bad. Even my classmates also used to tease me for that thing only, and my face literally looked like a boiled potato. Sorry. Sorry, I have a problem of speaking in bit much more speed, and that becomes a problem for me. So okay, fine. So the today's thing is about acne and pimple. Yeah, the birds are making a really good sound, and each and every time I make a video, they do that. Fine. So the thing is about, let's talk about what can work on our pimple, on the face marks and everything. So it was really worse and on my face before like 15 days when I did came home back from Sikkim. Actually, it was like 9th May, I guess. Yes, it was 9th May. So that time my face was way much more worse, to be honest. But the thing, I got a suggestion from a doctor. He was from Hyderabad. I consulted him online, and before that also, once my face was when on the in class 8 that I told you, my face was that time also, it was really worse. So my father took me to a doctor, and he was from Kolkata. I don't remember his particular name. That his name was probably Devas something, but he was really a really good doctor. Even for my hair also, I did some treatment. My hair was becoming white in class 8. Now you can see there is nothing. I'm not using any color for hiding those. So the thing was, that time he gave me peroxide cream. You can see that. I will share over here. You can see peroxide cream, and that really worked for me really well. And after that, I got this time I got this one. This is from Torrent Pharma, and this cream works like magic on your face. It obviously dries your face too much. Even like if you're using it for 2 3 days next to next, your face will be dry, like hell dry. So I will say, if you're using it for 2 3 days, give a minimum gap of 2 days, because your face needs moisturizer too. Like if you are having acne, that's a total lie that you don't need any moisturizer on your face. You do need a moisturizer, and very well moisturizer. Really, you can use for Cetaphil. Obviously, that works for sensitive skins really well. I do have sensitive skin, that so I know that those things work on face really well. It won't make any breakouts or anything. Your face will be totally fine. You will, like, nothing will happen to your face. Cetaphil are good for your face. You can use any other like Dermarix. That is a good brand. So there are many for. Obviously, the bus is also making a sound. Fine. So the thing is, you can use those, and those will work on your face really well. Obviously, but don't use tetraoin on your face. You will start peeling off your skin. Don't use those creams. I have done, and I wanted my face should look like really good. I want all the blackheads, pigmentations to be gone. Here you are seeing the pigmentations, they are really gone, but not from those cream. Those made my face really worse. I, to be honest, from the online, I have also tried many things, but those didn't work. So I would suggest use this one. It's not costly. Sorry, it's only 188 rupees. You can find it in any medicine store, any. Okay, and it's really good for your face. Like it comes in a gel formation. It works very smoothly on your face. You can just wash your face at night before sleeping. Don't just put it directly and sleep. Then it will not work. Your pillow will be getting no more acne. Your face will be getting those, to be honest. So the thing is, use this and keep your face 30 minutes at least away from pillows or anything. Let it dry on your face. After that, go for sleep. I would say. use this and just tell me in the comments after using 10 to 15 days that if you have seen any improvement or not. And another thing, if you think that no, I need my acne marks to be gone in 7 days, that's not possible. That's not at all possible. Acne pimple marks can be removed. Acne marks takes too much time. To be honest, too much time to remove. Some people have those for years. But this take too much time, but at least give 4 to 6 months to remove these. Okay, fine. So if you have any other suggestions that you want to give, tell me in the comment section. I will be coming up with another video tomorrow, I guess. Okay, fine. Let's meet you. Bye bye. And just share the video and please subscribe. You guys won't do really that. Bye.